Good morning, everybody. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. We are shutting down the store for good and completely. A lot of products have been expiring due to the, how do you say it, situation in the world. I can't say it on YouTube. So, we're just gonna start putting it aside for our own personal use. We can't sell most of it anymore, although the products are generally still usable for years to come. Anything still usable is going to be put on clearance, so watch for that. We're going to just start deep discounting things that are expired and just get rid of it. So if anybody wants anything, let me know. I'll have Melanie get on the computer and start dropping prices. Probably wholesale or less. Get rid of it. Get this out of here before it goes bad and we lose any more. So, you know, we're not the only ones that were hit by this, and, you know, I'm not going to cry. It's life goes on. And so what we're going to do right now, I'm going to be repurposing this place. Melanie has her cosmetic line. I don't know how she's doing it though, but she does have her cosmetics, which are still good, and hopefully she can get that going. She's doing online sales. We still have jewelry and stuff that we had bought for our store, and we still have some electronics and things that I'll be selling. So, you know, we're gonna clearance out, but we're gonna repurpose this place and use it as a sales warehouse. So all of our items for sale, I have mining rig frames I'm going to be putting in here. I started clearing out this side and I decided, no, because she's got her mobile shelves here, I'm going to clear out this area here. It's going to be a job. I'm not going to show most of that on video. I'm going to clear out this corner and then clear up over to here to the heater, which we won't be using anymore then. Boy, that was expensive to use. That was horrible. We heated this place last year. No, not again. For some reason I thought it would be efficient, but I didn't know the thermostat settings on this, and I burned out all our gas too quick. Not going to happen again. But anyway, I'm going to put my mining rig frames along this wall. So it's going to be quite a job. I've got a couch here that belongs in the chalet, so I've got to get this out, and then I have to clear the mining rig frames out of the chalet so I can put this in there, put them in here, and have everything where they're supposed to be. So anything we sell will be in here. All of our packing materials in the chalet will be a home again before winter. So I'm going to get cleaning this area out now. So these are the shelves from the chalet that the mining rig frames were on. Right now the mining rig frames are on the floor over there. And I want to put these together here and move everything here. Then our store is still a store, just not a food store. So whatever we sell, whether it be woodcraft products from my wood shop, or crafting from Melanie, or her pharmacy products, which is cosmetics and stuff, or mining rig frames, or stuff I manufacture, jewelry, whatever. It'll still be a store. We're just not selling directly out of the store. We don't know when the situation is ever going to change, and there's no point in restocking food in here ever again. Not at this time. We have no plans for it. Maybe, who knows, but right now it's not worth it. So I got to get the other shelf pieces over here and start hauling in some products. Alright, watch out.
Hey,
There you go, you're safe. Oh, this is heavy. Ooh. Heavy.
Daddy.
Yeah?
It's empty.
It's empty. The mower's empty. I got more of these. They gotta come over here. Can you get them? Take two at a time, just like this. Watch. Grab this one right there, okay? Bring it to me. Use two hands. Is it heavy?
It's not.
Okay.
Just a little
Oh,
bit.
thank you.
It's just a little bit
Thank you.
heavy.
All right.
Oh,
Now we have to go get the other shelves.
no. Oh, I'm gonna be tired.
We're all gonna get tired, yeah. There's one.
There's no tea box. There's only two
And I gotta get some more shelves and get the other batch in.
There's two box.
Multitasking. I mow the lawn with each swipe or sweep of the mower and haul a load of frames over. Inside I have the shelving put up. Michelle is helping me today. I got the second set of shelving up and we're about to load them. This is heavy. It's so heavy. You may notice I have a lot of frames. In the earlier part of the year, I made a investment and now I sell them. Thank you. And one at a time is fine. Got it? Thank you.
So heavy.
Is there more?
Yeah.
Okay.
The tiny ones are not heavy.
Yeah.
The tiny ones
Thank
are
you.
not heavy.
They're all heavy, aren't they? Is that all or is there more?
Yeah. These little ones are not heavy, Daddy. You.
No.
Some are not heavy.
Oh, thank you.
Some are not heavy, Daddy.
Good. That's good.
I have all of the little tiny ones.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Is that the last of them?
Yeah. But just one more.
One more. Okay, go get it, please.
But them are so heavy. Daddy.
Huh?
I need a little bit help.
You need a little bit of help. Okay.
Them are so big and heavy.
Okay. I'll be right there. That's a lot. I'm exhausted and my knee hurts, so I'm taking a break. That's it for now. It hurts. That is a lot. I'm using the mower to carry stuff so I don't have to, but still lifting and putting on the shelves. That's a lot of weight. I still got to put the other shelf on and go up to here with the white one, and then I can fit everything. I need a break. Well, guys, I never did make it back. Remember, in my last words were, I'll be back. I'm going to take a break. Well, that break was a long break. It's 8:30 and I just got home. Let me show you what's been going on. Went to the Amish, to the sawmill, and got 24 2x4s to finish the front gate over here. And then I got 100 boards for the fencing. I've got 5 4x4 by 12 foot treated posts. I've got 11 bags of concrete and screws and fasteners and everything else. So I cashed in some crypto and was able to get the materials. We're gonna finish this right here. This is a security loophole, a weakness that we're gonna close up. This little improvised gateway. I do have, well, I don't want to tell you what kind of security I have, but let's just say it's safer than nothing. But with the fence line all the way up, all the way down this whole road, Pine Road, and actual gates and an actual doorway for us, it's gonna be so much nicer, so much better, that much more secure and easier for us. So it's gonna be good. Right now we have to unload the truck, and that's gonna be it for the night. There's a lot of weight on here. Those are 60-pound bags. Oh boy, poor truck. So we got to empty this out. So that'll be it for the night, guys. It was a long day, and I never rested, but this day is coming to an end. Please like this video and leave a comment. Every single bit of interaction helps. I've got 138,000 subscribers, and I'm only getting 1,000 are getting notifications, actually less than that. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, leave a comment, help me improve my stats, and thank you very much. Talk to you later.